Canada has 9 planting zones throughout the country. The government's Agriculture Division determines the planting zones based on the altitude of the zone, average temperatures and climate conditions. The government updates planting zones as climate data dictates over a multi-year time span. Factors that are taken into consideration are maximum wind speed, length of frost-free time periods, frequency and amount of snow cover, minimum winter temperatures, maximum summer temperatures, amount of summer rainfall, total January rainfall and elevation. Canada's planting zones are assigned a numeric value, with 0 indicating the harshest zone for growing and 8 representing the mildest climate. Within Canada's larger planting zones are subzones. Defined by lowercase letters, such as A, B and C, the subzones indicate that the particular area has slightly different weather conditions than the main zone. A subzone with a lowercase a designation is a bit harsher than a subzone with a B designation. Matching flowers with planting zones. When planting flowers, the planting zone should be used as a guide to determine which types of flowers will grow and survive in your climate area. The planting zone map helps gardeners determine the last freeze of spring so they can begin planting their flower gardens. Once you locate your area on Canada's planting zones map, you can start shopping for flowers that grow best in your region. For example, Zones 1 and 2 are the coldest areas in Canada, so consider cold season annuals that can sustain some frost. Among them are Capnoides sempervirens, Cerinthe minor, Hales of Spain and Iceland poppy. Perennials can be added to your flower garden once the temperature becomes warmer.